Klarifi's ESP Stats is your best way to look at detailed email campaign reporting and stats to view things like delivery, opens, clicks, engagement rates, and even revenue by campaign. Once logged into your Klarifi account, click on Reporting from the left navigation sidebar, and then click on ESP Stats. Next, at the top of the page, choose the date range you want to look at, and then hit the refresh button. If you'd like, you can apply other secondary filters like only seeing campaign stats for list, sent with Maripost. Always click on the filter button if you're applying different secondary filters. Once applied, you'll see a super detailed stats for all campaigns that went out during that date range, like revenue, emails, delivered, delivery rate, opens, open rate, clicks, click rate, click to open rate, what segments were used, and more. Missing your countless Excel spreadsheets? You can export all of this data to an Excel spreadsheet if you'd like by clicking on the Excel button, which you can actually do with most of the other Klarifi reports.